This is my why, basically my personal origin story. So I became a mortgage broker after nearly 20 years in the banking world, approving some clients, turning others away, guiding clients towards their goals, but always working inside someone else's rules. I saw how the system worked and who it worked for. If you don't fit that mold, the big banks don't have a way to help. I knew there had to be a better way, something that could be of help. Help the people that the big banks are not helping. At that time, I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready to find the answer, at least not yet, until it got personal. A few years ago, my parents bought a franchise. For the first time in their lives, they were self-employed. This was their big break in life. They did everything right. They had money in the bank. My mom still worked at her bank. 35 years on the job, they sold their house and wanted to buy a new one. But when they went to the bank, her bank, they were declined. Her credit was clean, her income was steady, but her husband was now self-employed. And that was enough to break the deal. They were told to come back in a couple of years after paying more tax, after restructuring their income, after bending their lives to fit the system. There were no other options is what they were told. That was it for me. That's when I realized where I could actually help. I stopped working for the system and started working for people. Now I work for the people who don't check all the traditional boxes, people who are self-employed, people with bruised credit, people rebuilding after divorce, debt, or COVID. I work with the people the banks just don't know how to handle. This is what I do now. This is what I care about. And if that's you or someone you know, I'm here to help. This is the reason I started Mortgages Done Different. You are more than an application number. To see what is possible for your personal situation, drop us the message qualify and we can get started.